Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, panic mode. That is the only reason that I can see Microsoft going to an extent like this. Microsoft has announced that if you don't upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 and you use the Office apps, you will maybe see problems with the Office apps, or there could be issues, performance issues, or just any other type, because they say they won't support the Office app updates on Windows 10 starting in October. So once again, this is interesting. So first of all, let's explain it in the correct terms, because too many people have the wrong idea. So I see a lot of reports out there that people saying, so the Office apps are going to stop working. No, they're not. They will continue working as they were before, and there's probably not going to be much of any problems. But the Office apps won't get any updates anymore. They won't get, fixes if there's bugs on the apps and stuff like that. Once again, Microsoft, pulling this is, of course, going to touch a lot more enterprise than anything else, because Office apps are mostly enterprise. There are a few users like me that use them, but most of the apps are enterprise users. And so that's just like bullying, pushing you around and saying, well, you know what? Your Office app's going to have problems if you just don't upgrade to beautiful Windows 11. So another bullying around by Microsoft, just trying to push people to Windows 11 by, methods that are not cool. And you wonder why after that people don't trust you, why people don't want to go to Windows 11. You're just making users mad more than anything else. And that is not the way to go. And that is definitely not the way to go. So once again, Microsoft saying that there might be some issues with apps, but I suspect not much going to happen. A lot of people are running old Office apps, and they're running fine. So that's probably the same that's going to happen. It's just that they're saying, oh, but we won't support you and have updates anymore. So that is sad. Microsoft needs to really change its attitude. You're not going to get new users by bullying. You're going to get new users by earning their trust, and that's not what you're doing right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.